Hello dear learners, welcome back to Take Maths Easy. I'm Artia, your maths tutor, and today we will understand addition of algebraic expression. तो जल्दी से वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं और सीखते हैं कि addition of algebraic expression कैसे किया जाता है. So let's start. Firstly, I would like to tell you about the basic. Okay, so basic के लिए addition करने के लिए addition of algebraic expression के लिए आपको क्या जानना जरूरी है? Like terms you need to know. Like terms क्या होती हैं? ठीक है, so firstly I will explain you about the like terms. Like terms are the terms that will be same. Okay, their variables are same. For example, 2x, 3x, because the variable with them is x, है ना? जो 2 है, 2 is like 2 is a constant value. आपको पता है 2 is constant here. Okay, and x is variable. Which variable is used here? X variable. So here is also x variable. So 2 के साथ भी x है और 3 के साथ भी x है. That means 2x and 3x, they are like terms. If I will write here 3y and minus 5y. So you know the variable which is present in the expression, that is y. Single y, right? So this is the example of like term. If there is a square, so there should be square. Only in this condition, the both terms will be like terms. Okay, powers भी same होनी चाहिए. The power should be same. In that condition, it will be like terms, and we can only add the like terms. अगर जो expressions हैं, जो terms हैं, like terms में हैं, only then we can add. Simply, if I will, so this was the first example, this was the second example. If I will write here the third example, suppose I wrote here minus 3 and 2. So this is also called like terms because they are not having any variable. 3 के साथ भी कोई variable नहीं है, 2 के साथ भी कोई variable नहीं है. That means this is also the example of like terms. And fourth number, here you can confuse. Okay, so remember this example also. कोई variable दोनों के साथ नहीं है, दोनों में ही नहीं है, right? If I will write here 1 also, so with 1 also there is no variable. So this is also the example of these all three are like terms. If I will write here z square minus 2z square and 3z square. So this is the example of like terms. These terms are like terms. Why? Because z square is present in each term. Z square जो है वो हर एक term में present है. अब unlike terms क्या होंगी? So these are the like terms. Unlike terms will be opposite. अभी unlike terms में जैसे कि x I have written here 2x and then I will write here 3y. So 2x and 3y are 2x and 3y is the example of unlike terms. Okay, if I will write here y square, so these three are unlike. Okay, because here x variable is present, here only y variable is present, and here y square is present. So this is the example of unlike term. Let me give you more example. For example, let me just erase it. Give me 1 minute. So you have to remember when the variables are different, जब भी variables different हो, उस condition में भी unlike term होगा, और अगर variable same है but उसकी power different है, उस condition में भी unlike term होगी. जैसे कि for example I wrote 2x and here I wrote x square. Okay, 2x x square and again 3x I wrote. So 2x and 3x are the example of like term, but x square is unlike term. Okay, so this is the like term. अभी ये मैंने क्यों बताया आपको, मैं समझाती हूँ. देखते हैं. Like terms अगर हैं हमारी, जैसे कि 2x और हमें 3x को ऐड करना है, right? So 2x and 3x, so it will be equals to 5x. हम इन दोनों को ऐड कर सकते हैं. Only we can add in the condition when the terms are like terms, otherwise we cannot add. अगर यहाँ पर लिखा है 2x plus 2y, this is the example of unlike term, right? This is the example of unlike term. So जब आप ये two terms को add करोगे ना, so it will be same, क्योंकि इसे add नहीं करेंगे हम, इसको add नहीं किया जाएगा. So 2x plus 2y will be the answer because कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता, यही आंसर होगा. So like terms में we can add the terms, but when there is unlike term we cannot add. Simply the same as it is will be the answer. Okay, now let's start the addition of algebraic expression. And then there are two methods of addition of algebraic expression. First method is column method, ये भी आपको है, आपके सिलेबस में होगा. एंड नेक्स्ट मेथड होगी हॉरिजॉन्टल मेथड. सो आज हम दोनों ही मेथड से कर लेते हैं. दिस इज वेरी इजी, डोंट वरी, जस्ट कीप वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. And Just if you will get everything, so please like, subscribe and share also. All right, share with your friends. So first method is कॉलम मेथड. सो फर्स्ट मेथड जो है वो कॉलम मेथड है. दोनों ही मेथड्स आपको अच्छे से आनी चाहिए. ओके, सो कॉलम मेथड में कैसे ऐड करेंगे? लुक एट हियर, लुक एट द क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द सम ऑफ गिवन एक्सप्रेशंस. जो एक्सप्रेशंस आपको दी हुई हैं, यू हैव टू फाइंड द सम. सो व्हाट इज रिटन हियर? 2a plus 3b and 6a plus 8b. Okay, so as I told you, we can only add the like terms. हम सिर्फ like terms को add कर सकते हैं. देखिए यहाँ पर like terms कौन सी है? 2a and 6a and 3b. 3b is like term of 8b because इन दोनों के साथ same variable present है. अब column method में कैसे करना है? Column method में करने के लिए we will write them in a column. 2a plus 3b and below that 6a plus 8b. Okay, we have to add them. No need of making any sign, just simply we will add. Okay, 3b and 8b. So b will be same, variable jo hai that will be same, only you have to add the numbers. So 8 plus 3 will be 11. So it has become 11b. And integers rule also you have to remember. Okay, so plus plus will be plus only. Then 2a, a variable will be same, variable को add नहीं करना, variable will be as it is. Now 6 plus 2 will be 8. So 8a plus 11b will be the answer. Okay, like this. This is the column method. This is so simple. Okay, let's do the next question with the same column method. Next, second number question. Now look at the second number question. It is 5x, 9y, z and 3x plus 4y plus 2z. Let's write them in a column. 5x plus 9y plus z, and then below that 3x plus 4y plus 2z. Okay, so like terms here I can use addition sign भी use कर सकते हैं. So 2z, this is 2. Okay, so like term we can add like term to like term. So z and 2z. अभी z के साथ अगर कोई constant नहीं है, that means there is one value होती है. अगर कोई constant नहीं है variable के साथ, that means 1 is there. So z will be same, as I told you, z we will write same, variable same होगा. 2 plus 1, that will be 3. So plus and plus sign ही होगा. 9 plus 4 will be 13y. Okay, as it is, plus sign. Then 5 plus 3, 8x. So this will be the addition. This will be the sum of the second number question. Now let's do the question number 3. Question number 3, this one, the third one, which I have written here. Now here you have to remember 3p plus 2q minus 5r. Here you need the integers rule. सभी को याद होनी चाहिए integers rule. 5p minus 4q. What you have to remember? You have to remember that there should be the like terms below the like terms. Like terms ही होनी चाहिए. जैसे कि 5r है, so उसके नीचे मैंने 3r write किया है, right? And then 2q. Then below that I wrote 4q. 3p and below that I wrote 5p. So there should be the like terms. अगर arranged नहीं है, so आप प्रॉपर वे में अरेंज कर लीजिएगा एक्सप्रेशंस को, टर्म्स को, सो दैट इट विल बी इजी फॉर अस. नाउ अभी आपको एडिशन करने के लिए क्या करना होगा? इंटीजर्स रूल. सो नेगेटिव एंड नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव नेगेटिव अगर नंबर्स होते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं उसको? वी ऐड देम, राइट? सो हम ऐड करते हैं, नेगेटिव साइन ही आता है. सो 5 plus 3 is 8r, but it with the sign will be negative. Now पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव क्या होता है? प्लस एंड माइनस क्या होता है? व्हाट इज दैट? That is negative. Okay, plus minus minus. So 2 or like 4 minus 2 will be 2. 2q. अभी 2q जो है that will be positive and negative. Definitely it will be negative because here you can see 4q is the bigger number, 4 is the bigger number and that is negative. So the answer will also be negative. Okay, integers rule याद रखना है यहाँ पे. Integers का ही आपको work है यहाँ. Okay, then minus 3p and 5p is positive. If there is no sign, that means positive sign. So minus 3p and 5p. So definitely minus plus minus ही होता है. So 5 minus 3 we will do, that is 2p, and 2p will be positive. Why? Because 5p bigger number and that is positive. So it will be positive. So the sum will be 2p minus 2q minus 8r. This will be the answer. So this is the column method. In this way you can solve. Okay, in the same way you can solve any question. If there are 4 terms, 5 terms and more than that, you can easily solve and easily do that. Okay, similarly इसी way में आपको करते जाना है. And remember the integers rule. अगर integers rule याद नहीं है, so I have already made the video. आप integers का भी video देख सकते हैं and you can get. And just if you got it, so please like, subscribe and share. Let's do the horizontal method also. So in horizontal method, what we have to do? This is the easiest one. So horizontal method में क्या करना होता है? देखिए यहाँ. Same कर हम एडिशन ही रहे हैं. Okay, we are adding only. Find the sum of given expressions. We are finding the sum of expressions. Okay, with the horizontal method. Horizontal method में हम we will write it in the way of horizontal. We will write it in a row. So 2a plus 3b, and because we have to add them, क्योंकि हमें दोनों expression को this one and this one we have to add. So in the middle we are just using addition sign and 6a plus 8b. Okay, so 2a plus 3b plus 6a plus 8b. अभी आपको क्या करना है? You have to separate the like terms. अभी देखें 2a and 6a are the like terms. So we will write it together. 2a plus 6a. And then 3b positive. You have to write them with their sign. So 3b positive and here 8b. They are like terms. So we are writing them together. Now 2a plus 6a will be definitely 8a. And then क्योंकि like terms में ही like terms को add किया जाता है. Okay, remember. So 2a plus 6a will be 8a and 3b plus 8b will be 11b. So this will be the answer. I have taken the same question so that there will not be any confusion. Okay, so in this way we do it in a horizontal method. ठीक है, एक रो में हम write करते हैं expression को and then we add. Now let's do the second question. So second number, this one we are doing. Okay, let's do it. 5x plus 9y plus z, and is there. And means we have to add, we have to find the sum. So addition sign will be there in the middle. Then 3x plus 4y plus 2z. Now what is the next step? Next step is we have to separate the like terms. So 5x is here. Now 5x, and is there any x? Yeah, this is 3x. So 5x and 3x we will write together. And then 9y, is there any y? Yeah, 4y. So 9y and 4y we have written together with their sign, उनके sign के साथ ही. Then z and 2z. This is also like term, so we will add these two. So 5x plus 3x will be 8x. 9y plus 4y will be 13y. And z plus 2z will be 3z. The answer will be same. It's up to you. आपको कौन सी method use करनी है? Okay. So whatever method you want to use, you can use that. And अगर बीच में अगर आप भूल रहे हैं, so you can just see the previous method also. आप वीडियो को पॉज करके दोबारा से देख सकते हैं. You can take a screenshot. It's up to you. दोबारा से देख सकते हैं. This is the benefit, right? वीडियोस का यही बेनिफिट है कि आप कभी भी देख सकते हैं वीडियोस. Okay, let's do the next question. In that integers rule you have to remember. देखिए integers rule minus 3p plus 2q minus 5r. Addition sign I will use in the middle. Why? Because we are finding addition. We are finding the sum. 5p minus 4q minus 3r. Okay, this is. Then we will separate the like terms. Minus 3p. Is there any p? Yes, here it is. That is positive 5p. So always remember we will write it with their sign. So positive 5p and then positive 2q is here. And is there any q? Yes, this is. So minus 4q. Okay, I'm writing them with their sign. Then minus 5r. And then minus 3r. Okay, so I have written this. Now I will solve it. So negative 3p plus positive 5p. So negative positive क्या होता है? It is negative. So 5 minus 3 is, that will be 2p. So it will be positive or negative? Definitely positive, because 5 is a positive. So 2p will be positive. Now the next is 2q and minus 4q. So definitely we will do subtraction. So 4 minus 2 will be 2 and q will be with this. And then minus 5r, minus 3r, negative, negative, positive, but we use negative sign. So 5 plus 3, 8r. So negative 8r will be the answer. So in this way, we will solve this. There was two methods we discussed here, column method and horizontal method. Okay, so I hope you like it, and if you have liked, please like, subscribe and share. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.